Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to stop Chrome from always running in the background. For example, I don't have Chrome running right now, so if I open the Chrome, I'm going to see that it will always run in the background. Especially if you have an extension, it will always run in the background. So let me close Chrome and go to the task manager. Scroll down, you can see we have some processes right here. Chrome is always running in the background, eating up memory. If you want to stop this is how to do it. Go to your tray and right click on the Chrome icon. Now click on disable Chrome running in the background for apps. It will take you here. The first one says continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. So this is what makes Chrome to run in the background as always. What you have to do is to just turn this off and now close it. If we go back to our task manager and look for the processes, you can see that Chrome is not among the ones running in the background. When we check our tray, it is no more there. So that's how you stop Chrome from running in the background always. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.